Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Just wanted to showcase our 150-45 Sportfish from Scout Boats. This is the 2018. Nice fishing boat. Got a forward bow locker, as well as a forward fish box / dry storage, depending on what you want to use it for. Nice and deep, as well as a 74-quart cooler here in the front. Looking on the outside, this one's got the integrated stainless steel rubber rail insert. That is a standard feature of the Scout boats. We've got a custom all welded trailer for Magic Tilt that is packaged with this boat. That is included in the promotional pricing they offer on this boat. Boat has a nice console with a lockable electronics box here with charging ports inside, digital gauges, as well as a tiltable helm. All that standard with the battery switch as well. We've got the twin swivel captain seats, which are the standard seating arrangement on this 175. Aft seats here in the aft corners with 4 rod holders across the transom. In this port side live well, we have a live well on this hatch here. Also doubles as a dry storage. And on this starboard side, it's our dry storage. This boat has the standard 90 on it, and then we also have the upgraded hydraulic steering on this particular model. So if you guys would like to come check out, we're over here at 142 Sportsman Island Drive here on Daniel Island. And again, this is our 2018 Scout 175 Sportfish. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you. Have a nice day.